I'm going to show you the crimp that I'm putting on these bullets here. I put a light crimp on it, but I want a tighter crimp. That's the copper part and the brass part, that line right there. I want it to curl in. I have the die already set. And you see it curling. Let's compare it to one that doesn't have the crimp. Okay, the one on the left has the crimp. The one on the right doesn't have the crimp. You can see the one on the right still have the defined edges, and the one on the left kind of blend in or curl in. So those are crimps.